In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect WhatsApp to a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to your Facebook business page so you are working from the correct page settings. This is important because the WhatsApp connection option appears inside your business page details, not on your personal profile. When you are on your Facebook business page, look near the top of the page and click the About tab. This section contains the main business information for your page, including your contact details and connected communication options. After that, move to the left sidebar and click Contact Info. This area lets you manage the ways people can reach your business through Facebook. You should now see the available contact fields for your page. Next, find the WhatsApp section and click the edit icon next to it. The edit icon usually looks like a small pencil. This will open the option to add or update the WhatsApp number linked to your business page. Now enter your WhatsApp business phone number. Be sure to include the correct country code so Facebook can recognize the number properly. Double-check the number before you continue, since the verification code will be sent to that WhatsApp account. Once the number is entered correctly, click Connect. Facebook will then begin the verification process. In most cases, a verification code will be sent directly to your WhatsApp number. Go to your WhatsApp account and look for the verification code that was sent. Return to Facebook and type that code into the verification field. Make sure you enter the code exactly as it appears. After entering the code, click Verify to complete the connection. Facebook will then confirm the WhatsApp business account and link it to your Facebook business page. When the process is successful, you should see your WhatsApp account listed in the contact information for your page. This confirms that the connection is active and visible on your Facebook business page. At this point, your visitors may be able to contact your business more easily through WhatsApp, depending on how your page is set up. It is a simple way to improve communication and make your business more accessible. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.